Hello guys, I'm gonna go to bed in this room like I said. Okay. Good night. Don't want to turn the light off because I don't have a lamp, guys. And there's one right there. Right there. But it's a bit broke. You get what I mean? So I'm just gonna have to sleep. Might turn the light off. Yeah. We'll open the door a little bit. We've got a little light. And see? Good night. Oh, hello guys! That sneeze took me from night to day. So I went from Saturday night when I was going to go to sleep, and now I'm at daytime on Sunday morning. So, when it's Sunday morning, what do we do on Sundays? We do good things, don't we? So we're going to do Happy Clap Along. Yes, I'm going to do happy. I'm going to do happy. So, let's get on with it. Matthew crazy one about time. Yeah, she's a loser, gotta say. Yeah, but I should probably warn you. I've been just fine. Yeah, no offense to you, don't waste your time. That's fine, because I'm happy, clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Because I'm happy, clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do. Because I'm happy, clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Because I'm happy, clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do. Happy, clap along, sing on, happy, clap along. Miles too high, clap along, hang on, sing now, clap along, say 'cause I'm happy, clap along. If you feel like a room without a roof, because I'm happy, clap along. If you feel like that's what you wanna do, because I'm happy, clap along. If you know what happiness is to you, cause I'm happy, clap along. If you feel that happiness is the truth, because I'm happy. Who's that? Leo, come in. I'll do it. Mind your feet. Wait. I think I'm trapped in here, guys. Just wait. Guys, we haven't actually managed to open the door for you. So, say hello to him, Leo. Hi. What? Look, there's a treadmill. Leo, you hold the camera a sec.
Hold it for a minute.
Hey, guys, look at this. Leo,
Whoa.
you won't be able to reach them.
Well,
You won't be able to reach. Right, can you just get down a sec?
Why?
Hold it so you can see me, Leo. Right, guys. So if you can see me on the camera, Leo, that means that I'm on. Go a bit up, step back a bit. Sorry, guys. Right, can you see me?
yeah.
Look at my legs, guys. The gym is a good exercise. Pass it here, Leo. Okay, the gym is a good exercise, especially when you're on this. You see, my auntie, she has one of those things. She has one of these things, right? And you hold it like that, and then you move your legs like this, and then you can run on it. I think it's called a treadmill, something like that, the running machine I call it. But anyway, bye!